Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. It's Tracy here and this is an open with me and a giveaway. And this is for new Create Toys and Games with the Family Will Love Crochet Toy Box. It includes 44 patterns, baby gifts, animals, dolls, games, bears, toys, Amigurumi, strike, bring classic games indoors. So you've got Skittles, love to learn, and there's all sorts. New to crochet, get to grips with key skills and stitches. So there's lots, there's 44 patterns in, so let's have a little look at how much it cost. Can I zoom in on this? It's a bit, $10.99. So the price of the magazine is $10.99. So if you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and hopefully you'll be informed when new videos pop up. Now this is just the open with me, but I will be doing this as a giveaway very shortly, so I won't do it as a combined one because otherwise it will get a bit bitty in all the rules and everything else. So this is the open with me, and let's have a look then. So I found this in the supermarket. And let's have a look. Just the welcome bit. We don't want to bother with that, do we? And a few pages of nothing, really. So we've got, it's sectioned out. So we've got essentials and glossary. We've got babies. We've got a newborn baby gift set, hedgehog sensory toy, koala teether and rattle, and a lamb lovey. We've got animals. So there's a big plushie. Rosalita the cow, caterpillar plushie, a sock puppet, alpaca family, Montessori turtle, Harry the Highland cow, magical unicorn and octopus plushie. Then we've got games. We've got a 10-pin bowling, an noughts and crosses, and an Amish ball puzzle, which I've not ever seen before. Up the top there, dolls and bears, Mexican doll, Amigurumi, little dress-up doll, and the pumpkin patch bear. Toys, which I think dolls come under, but never mind. We've got a crochet cake. How is that a toy? Okay, a cuddly camera plushie, a toy train, an amigurumi food, baby robot, geometric shapes, and a little chick bean bag. Little chick bean bag, not a little chick bean bag. Never mind. Never mind. Getting started. So essentials and glossary. So we've got the how to do these stitches. Now they are in UK terms, so the double crochet is a single crochet in the US. The treble being a double crochet. The double treble being your treble over across the pond, and the half treble is the half double. Working rows, joining new yarn. What's that up there? Identifying stitches. So the little V's. Changing colours and all the stuff. So... and there's more. How to increase, decrease, working in the rounds. Okay, so there's the glossary, I think. Yarn weights and different hook sizes and stuff, and tension. So we've got all these on how to read symbols and charts and bits about blocking. So there's all sorts of newbie stuff. And there's the glossary of terms. So it shows you... what all the words mean if you're new to crochet. Once we've got past all the glossaries, so these are all the different stitches as well. We'll get onto the patterns itself. So we've got baby. Straight away I see the lammy lovey. Sorry, I've gone very dry. And we've got a basket of little goodies there. So newborn baby gift set, hedgehog sensory toy, koala teether and rattle, and the lamb lovey. And this is how to do all of those things. So obviously this is the rattle, is it? I guess. We've got a blanket, booties. Anything on this side? Yeah, the blanket motif there. And we've got booties, we've got a toy. Tells you how to do all the arms and snout and ears and everything. There's the sensory hedgehog. I like that, actually. That's pretty cool. I like it, the full bumpy. That is actually quite nice. That looks like it's made with something like James C. Brett's Flutterby, which I do have on special offer at the moment over in my shop, which is www.hobbyrocks.co.uk. T-shirt yarn has been slashed virtually half price at the moment as well. But as you can see, I was right. It is, where is it? James C. Brett Flutterby. Thought I spotted it. Okay, so on sale, a magazine about crochet, big book of stitches. What else we got? Koala, Teether and Rattle. So that's these guys. They're quite snazzy actually. And what are they made with? 4-ply or fingering, which not actually. 4-ply is sport weight. I like the way they always get it wrong. But fingering is 3-ply. This is the Lamb Lovey. He's quite cute. Oh, bless. And what else we got? Animals. That's Big Pig Flushy. I could tell that was a pig. You know me, and identifying amigurumis are not really good. But it does say in big letters as well what it is. But I knew that that was a cow. So things are looking up, guys. Things are looking up. And I like the cow from the behind. It's kind of cute. Caterpillar plushie. Now, I made one of those once, but it looked a little bit nicer than that one, I have to say. Never mind. The fox puppet. So this is the glove puppet. And there's all the how-to-dos. This is the alpaca family. I do love an alpaca. They are quite cute, actually, aren't they? I love how alpacas have this, like, little crazy bit of hair. We had some, not us, but nearby, one of the farms had some, and they looked like they had dreadlocks. They were so cute. I used to love going to see them. And so there's all the different alpacas. We've got the Montessori turtle. So why is he Montessori? Because he's got all these to-do bits stuck to him, I guess. So that's him. And that's more about him. Or her. Doesn't have to be a him, does it? So there's the at the back of all the tactile bits. Harry the Highland cow. So we've got another cow, unless the other one wasn't. And I did actually not identify it. It wouldn't surprise me in the slightest. The magical unicorn. Got a very big snout and not a very big horn. But let's not be personal. Octopus plushie. So this is made with kind of those curly whirlies that I've got a tutorial for. So if you know how to make a ball and you know how to make those curly whirlies, jobs are good and really, isn't it? This is the dolls and bears section. This is sweet. And looks very kind of realistic, that one. Mexican doll, that's this one. The Mexican kind of colours in her dress. And the little dress-up doll is this one. There she is, naked. And here we are with some clothes on. And a little girlie playing with her. The pumpkin patch bear. Does look like he's got a pumpkin belly, doesn't he? It's quite sweet. So toys. Although those are toys, I don't get why they're sectioned for different things. But here we've got, that looks like sausage. Sausages. Maybe it is. Let's have a look. Let's have a looky. This is the crochet cake. So it's all like in segments. The only kind of cake I'd be allowed is yarn cakes and crocheted cakes because I'm on a diet. But there you go. Full of fibre. This is a cuddly camera. So if you want to make a child a camera. Or yourself one. Catch a train. Looks a bit like Thomas. With his colouring. Amigurumi food. So it is a hot dog. We've got a koala bottle. Oh my goodness. Really. Sort of breaking this mouth into someone else, aren't I? So here we go. We've got the bun and we've got the sausage. We've got a ketchup bottle. Are you into amigurumi food? We've got a burger. And we've got toast. Hey, I can identify that. Toast. Do you like a bit of amigurumi food? Or do you not see the point? just let me know in the comments section. Baby robot. Now that's sweet. I do quite like the baby robot. So there's lots in this book. It's all patterns. It's none of that stuff. That's what I like about it. You're getting what you pay for. So just chock-a-block full of patterns and not bump that the magazines do stick in. Now these are the shapes, and Tyler would have liked these. He's very much into stacking things and shapes and stuff like that. He loves all that sort of thing. He's into Minecraft now with doing it on a computer, but yeah, that would be cool. And another little advert for some macrame. Used to do macrame with my mum years and years ago. We didn't make anything as intricate as this. The odd plant pot holder. That's what we did. So this is the Little Chick bean bag. So really, can't see how big these are. It's a bean bag, but is it small? I mean, nothing really to give it dimension apart from the fact that maybe that's a floorboard, so it's not that big. I'll make it bigger. You could have used it as a doorstop. So these are the games: the 10-pin bowling, noughts and crosses, and the Amish ball puzzle, which I guess is this one. I don't know what you might do with that, though. If there's anyone who knows what Amish ball puzzles do, then please let me know. So I thought that would be the ball at first, but obviously it's the bowling ball. That's quite sweet. And this is the noughts and crosses. That's cute, isn't it? That's quite a cool idea. And you've got a little drawer. It becomes a drawstring bag to put all your noughts and the crosses in. I like it. There's the bag. That's a good idea. Wow. Right, Amish puzzle ball. So you have to enlighten me as to what that is. Now, I remember you used to do the kind of puzzle like that. Is it just a illustration of one of those? Is that what it is? Is that what an Amish puzzle ball is? I don't know. It looks to me that's the shapes you get when you do that paper thing. So there we've got the adverts. We're at the end now, guys. That's it. Lots and lots of offers for other magazines they probably have in their arsenal. So there we go. That's it. The little beginner's guide at the beginning and all of those 44 patterns. Tell me, what do you think of the crochet toy box? I don't know, I quite like it. There's a few things in there that I really like. There must be 2 cows. That definitely looks like a cow to me. Or maybe it's a bull. Well, same thing. Well, not really, you know what I mean. But there you go. That's the open with me. And I haven't had any magazines this month. All of my subscriptions must have now come to an end. I got fed up with buying them only to find that they'd arrive a little late. And I'd end up with 2 of them. So even the Simply Crochet has not yet arrived. So I'm beginning to wonder if that's now run out. I don't really want to buy them from the shop because they cost too much. So I will start looking into some subscriptions and get them back up and running again. So what do you think of this? Let me know in the description box, and I will be doing a giveaway for it very shortly. So watch out for that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.